Today, I am gonna show you how to make a paper Pac Man. First, you will need scissors and a sheet of paper. It's a sheet of paper. So first, we fold it like a triangle. Be a right triangle. There. And it looks like this. Now what you want to do is get the scissors and cut the line that is below the triangle. There. Some scraps so we can throw it away. Now what you want to do is open up the triangle, and it will be a square. And fold it from this line to the other corner. Yeah. Fold it in half. And turn it this way and fold it in half again. Okay, here now we have this thing. Looks like this. So now what you want to do is turn it this way and it fold from this way. So now it should look like a triangle. And then you turn it this way, and then you match up this, kind of open it and match up this corner to this corner, and from this corner to this corner. Okay. And now we're almost done with this project. Now yours should look like a diamond or square. And when you open it, it's going to look like shaped like this. Then close it, and now what we want to do is get the open side and fold it up to there, and then get this side and put it to this side. Now it's the paper Pac Man, and it also looks like an angry bird. He can open his mouth. He can eat stuff. Be so careful, don't open it way up. Well, now you can, you can draw a dot over here, so then it looks like a real Pac Man, and this is it. So watch me another time if I make another video, and I'll show you how to make some other things. Bye.